Welcome to today's episode. We jump on the boat and head to the biggest gypsy village on the Togian Islands, with more than 3,000 people living there. We went to the school and all the people were going crazy about us. And first you will see the Bolilanga resort. Have fun!
Welcome to Indonesia! Sulawesi!
So, where are we, Lisa? In Bacho village.
In Bacho village.
Just arrived. Our Capitano. Vitus.
Yeah, they. What is that?
Huh? They believe it.
Yeah, they. You know why they do this to you? That
Yeah.
because they want. They are normally they are pregnant,
Yes.
so they want to touch you. That because they want you. The baby looks like you.
So, what did you think about that the lady touched me? It's okay, yeah? We arrived on the Bacho village. It's a small gypsy village with more than 3,000 people living on the small island. And together with Lani and Owen, we walked through the streets of this island. And yeah, we just have a look at how the people are living there. As you can see here, really nice colorful houses and happy people. And here you can see the big antenna. With that, they have even 4G connectivity on this small island. In Europe, for example, we don't even have that 4G connectivity on some countrysides. And in general, Indonesia is with that really good equipped so that they have mobile connectivity and also internet. In one house, 3 or 4 families living together under the same roof. And why is that? If you look at this island, you will notice that there's not much space left on this island. So everywhere there are houses, and there's not the possibility anymore to build new houses on this island because all the space is already taken. And that's why 3 or 4 families living together. It also has an advantage if you think about that, because the parents of one family can take care of the children of other families. And of course, they can share the costs. And here all the kids are playing around, and nearby there is also the school. And now we search for a place to hike up to a small hill to find a good viewpoint to see the complete island. We are really impressed how the village has built up their own infrastructure. So this is Baggio village. Really big. Really big. So lots of people here. Baggio village.
Don't talk about it. So then the kids doesn't know. Normally they offer only the people in Reza tell them about the place where normally people go. I think it's
So Lisa is now samurai. This small monkey baby has been adopted by the village people because it has been found lost without her mother, and now it's part of the village family. We want to give you now a short overview about our tour through Sulawesi. We started in Makassar, we drove to Malino, from there to Bira Beach, then we drove to the south coast back to Makassar, we took the night bus to Rantepao, and there we explored all the nice Toraja area, with the Olom Valley also included. Then we drove towards Ampana, but were stuck in Poso due to a landslide. We continued to Ampana, and then from Ampana we took the speedboat to the Togian Islands, to the harbor of Wakai, and here our full adventure also started on the Togian Islands, and now we're here in Bolilanga.
So we are going now to dive, or let's say better to snorkel, with the free diver of the Bacho village. He's very, very famous completely for his skills, because he can free dive until the ground of the ocean, and he can walk on the ground of the ocean, and they are like fishermen, and they like hunt the fishes on the ground of the ocean. It's like very special, very famous here, and we have the really nice chance now to do this with him and to film him while he's doing this. It's like a very special moment also for us, and let's see what he will do. Yeah. So this is the guy. What's his name? Like
Rohani.
Rohani. Rohani is his name.
But they call it Jago.
Jago.
Kasi ano, so Angelo. Tinggal babarnang ka sana sa dikit, ditang dalam eh. Ha? Babarnang ka sana eh. Okay.
Look at these smooth movements. We have been told that the Bacho people learn swimming before they learn walking. It's amazing, they are really good swimmers. In our next episode, we go to a very special place with lots of small, beautiful islands. You will be gifted with beautiful drone shots from a place which is still unknown in Indonesia. We are really so grateful for all your support. Feel free to share our videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much. And also for our lovely Indonesian community, terima kasih.